What is up, guys? This is your boy Crypto Salvo here, and today we will be talking about the market itself, the market overview. Right? Today I'll be covering some market overview, what's happening in the market, right? And so we'll be taking a look at what's happening with Bitcoin currently. Now, Bitcoin is sitting at 33.6K, man. It just dumped, when I wanted to do the video, it dumped from almost 35 to 33K. Now, will we see a 29K once again? Possible. And there is strong support at 29K level. Now if it touches again, which is like twice on the 29K level, actually no, uh tries, in fact, tries, one, two, three, it's either going to be a triple bottom if the buyers come in and push back the price up, or the third time it is going to break downwards, sadly. I mean, of course, that is just my prediction, my personal prediction on it. If it breaks 29K levels, we may see a retest of 25K or 26K. I'm not an expert in technical analysis. I'm not very good at it. I'm still learning, but from what I see, from eyeballing this whole thing, I see definitely revisit to 29K is in the cards. It is possible, and we can definitely see that coming. Now, let's see how XRP is doing. XRP is currently at 56 cents, right? That's right. They're milking all the money that we were actually we made. So 57 right now, 56 to 57 cents, it's sitting at there. I think this market really needs a Ripple win in the Ripple versus SEC case. Now, why is that so? Because the Bitcoin spot ETFs have been rejected twice or thrice by the SEC themselves. Now, what happens when SEC, the one organization that defeated the one organization that actually rejected the Bitcoin ETF, gets defeated by Ripple, a fintech cryptocurrency company, right? What happens? Well, there is going to be a positive pressure, a buying pressure, positive news in the market, and it will definitely propel Bitcoin up back to its all-time high or even more. And so even for XRP, of course, XRP will start going up first. Definitely XRP, I believe a $10 is definitely possible. It is in the cards if of course there's possible closure to the whole case by at least March or April. Now I know that the lawyer, right, Jeremy Hogan, has mentioned that the settlement or the case closing could be possibly August to September. Well, let's see. Then we have more time to accumulate XRP. Now we can of course sell the XRP bag and put into another investment or so, and then triple or like double your money and then put it back into XRP. But it is your investment, it is your money. Please do your own research. None of what I say here or written here is financial advice. Please evaluate your risk portfolio. Now, so that's for XRP. I'm definitely looking forward to XRP's price action in the coming months, because that is the only cryptocurrency probably that possibly has the biggest news coming up if it wins, if XRP gets clarity this year as currency, right? And then we have H bar. It has gone back to 19 cents. This is going to be a good buy, man. Trust me. H bar is able to actually go to $3, and actually it's a good buy to get some H bar right now. Now ETH, what is ETH doing? Well, ETH has gone to 2.2k once again. Now will we see a $2,000? Right, we definitely could see a $2,000, or sorry, a 1.7k, right? We can definitely see that. Now XLM dot, yeah, well, Quant, yeah, right. Now Quant has been bleeding for the past couple of months, and like I know there's a lot of whale accumulation that was happening around this area, right? This area, there was whale accumulation that was happening, and of course this is thanks to all the pullbacks that happened to Bitcoin. And currently it is at $92, right? It is at $92. This is the Binance chart, right? I'm sorry, let me look at Bittrex chart. All right, okay, it's almost the same, yeah. Okay, so definitely we may see a $80 Quant again. If that's the case, I'm gonna ape in. I'm gonna fill my bags, right? So I have been posting about that on Twitter, that I will be filling my Quant bags up. But here is this thing about this bear market proof thing that has been going on recently, which is the nodes life, right? I don't know if you have heard of node, NODE. I've never covered about nodes in this channel, right? And I've been looking at some, especially like Thor. I wanted to get into strong, but was not able to due to its high entry point at that point of time. If there is a chance, definitely I'll get into it, but of course Ethereum's gas fees and all, claiming the rewards is going to be a hassle. You've got to go spend more and all. So but for other node projects that are built on like other alternate layer ones like AWAX, Luna, Phantom, these have very low fees in claiming the rewards, right, or even compounding them. So one of the many right now that I invested in is Samurai nodes. Now Samurai nodes, yes, I know it has been bleeding from that $6 mark. Right, let's just go to the DEX screener, right? Now let's go to DEX screener, HNR. All right, now yes, so we see that HNR has this chart is just it's either terrible or it's just a very good buying opportunity. Right now you can definitely make tons of nodes, because it only takes one HNR token needed to get started. It's an outsized yield opportunity, solid protocol. Samurai effectively combines returns attained from its protocol, and they have like sharding coming up, NFT sharding coming up. Like let me just see what they have announced. It is time to clarify and address the reasoning behind the recent announcement stating that HNR will be shifting to nodes with RPC endpoints. That statement was not made as a result of the recent success the RPC endpoints have garnered. Quite the opposite. Why they have mentioned this is because recently in the node space, right, where many nodes, especially like Thor, have name drop. Of course, not name drop. They've actually done it with RPC endpoints, and they've shifted to the RPC endpoints, and that has actually caused a huge surge in price, like power nodes, Tor nodes, right? So these are some nodes actually. You can definitely do your own research and take a look at. Trust me, the price will fluctuate like 3x or 4x easily, because it's very volatile. And of course these nodes are very young, and that is why I believe the developers and the team are actually working on something where it will make the nodes value not too volatile, right? The token's value not too volatile even during a bear market or even a bull market. um, and portion of and talking about that, that reminds me of what I read in the Hive Investments. Hive Investments are actually building a node project as well, and you can definitely take a look at that. Right, they are Hive Investments, and they'll be building on the Polygon network, like how Cubo are also building on Polygon, their nodes, right, their liquidity node. Now, coming back to Samurai Notes, they have mentioned we have been actively evaluating a shift to a more tangible and viable node service provision ever since HNR was launched. RPC endpoints were among the first routes considered. However, the emphasis and priority at the time remained on launching Samurai's own governance structure. Launching the newly introduced HNR node and token holders to vote on such decision proposals themselves independently will be one of the first remarkable steps in the new direction. It would showcase and prove that node and token holders are truly at the forefront of the protocol and are fully in charge. Something new, refreshing, and promising. However, the landscape has been growing and evolving at a rapid pace. Every day of not indicating. So let me just go to the main part, right? Um, at the same time, the HNR core team has massively expanded and grown to be able to facilitate and cater to the large community that we have. Handling growth and management of the team internally while deploying a governance structure has been a tough battle. Nevertheless, we realize the importance of maintaining the protocol's relevance. Okay, blah, 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 okay. Now, there we go. These novel concepts and features include, first, RPC endpoints, NFT shards, staking, I repeat that, staking, and much more. While we have internally established a framework to propose the implementation of these features and concepts as proposals for the community to vote upon, we are now going to prioritize timing and will aim for deploying these concepts and features in a timely manner while finalizing the governance structure simultaneously. There appears to be a community-wide preference for employing such approach. This will enable HNR to remain competitive. Yeah, so they have said here HNR is here to stay and they cannot wait to share. Right, and people are looking for that comeback of HNR. Now, will that happen? Well, I do not know. It is a risky play. Of course, it is inspired by Strong based on Phantom, and currently Phantom is experiencing high fees, and centralized exchanges have temporarily, stopped the withdrawal, right? The withdrawal of Phantom, especially Gate.io and many other centralized exchanges. So well, we can definitely see in the future, right, HNR probably going back to $1 or so, right? We can definitely see a stable $1 HNR if there isn't all this sell pressure. Look at that, man, all of that is sell pressure, and so it looks bad. Currently it looks bad, definitely. I don't know why people are, maybe it is because they're claiming, but who claims, right? Who claims like $2.48 USD? I mean, oh well, maybe this is for gas or something. So that's that, right? So with that being said, that's pretty much on Samurai Notes. So do your own research, check them out. I believe this would be a very yield opportunity for y'all, very good yield opportunity for y'all, even during this red market, I would say, right? So during the Chinese New Year, you have to understand, in fact, Chinese New Year is coming in 2 more weeks, right? So who knows, maybe the people who actually profited are actually basically selling it. Those, especially Chinese whales and all that, they might be selling it. But I have a feeling there would be a market reversal after Chinese New Year. Let's just eye on that, right? Okay, I think after Chinese New Year there is going to be some market reversal, a bit of relief, which I believe should be in the second week of February or a third week of February. To be safe, let's just say March or the last week of February. There's going to be some relief bounce, definitely. But until then, I'll keep you guys posted. Check my Twitter out. And I will be posting on what's happening. Recently I've been very I've been just retweeting and liking and doing this, involving myself in these giveaways and all that, hopefully getting a Thor node. That is my aim, right? So for this year my aim is to get a Thor node. That's my aim. So with that being said, right, take care, stay safe. Please take care of your emotional, mental health during these market crashes, because those are most important things that you have to take a look at. Don't keep looking at the charts. Go out, have some breather, have some fresh air, and you will do better when you come back, and you will make better decisions in your investments when you actually get that breather, when you get that break from the charts, right? Now, do not worry about the prices tanking drastically from your entry points and all that. If you have fiat, of course, buy the dip. Not financial advice. I'm buying the dip, especially I've just reached my trias bag goals, right? But now it's below my entry point once again, okay, by 50 cents or like so. So definitely keep lookout, right, in this channel. We will be back. With that being said, take care. See you all. Crypto Servo out.